Wahl clipper. Rechargeable cordless haircutting and trimming. Long run time. These clippers feature convenient cordless use options with 60 minutes of cordless runtime. Long-lasting, easy-to-clean stainless steel precision blades enable no snag cutting. A smooth cut every time. Powerful, long-lasting, rechargeable battery and self-sharpening steel blades that stay sharp longer and are removable for easy cleaning. The perfect grooming kit, including 12 attachment guards for home hair cutting and trimming with everything you need to achieve the style you want. Give the gift of quality. Makes great personal gifts for the men in your life. Dads, husbands, and boyfriends will love this top-rated precise clipper for any occasion. The brand. Used by professionals, Wahl clippers and trimmers have been used by professionals in the salon and barber industry since 1919. Featuring self-sharpening precision blades and quality construction,